Hello everyone. Today I have a client. He's from Middle East and he has production line for the glass lamination in his local market. He wants to try to produce smart glass himself, and they use PVB to laminate regular glass. Ask me if this is workable. Okay, let me put the answer first. The answer is no. Why? Usually for the furnace, they use PVB, do the glass lamination, and the temperature inside the furnace is usually 140 centigrade degree. But for the EVA, which film we use to produce smart glass, is 120. So now you know why. But if you can adjust your furnace below the temperature 120 and you use EVA, this is totally no problem. Okay, I hope my explanation is clear for you. Thank you. Bye bye.